Hello, I'm Atoro and it's my story. I have had the privilege of working in a listing company for 14 years. Throughout this time, I have gained a deep understanding of the best practices in IT service management. As part of my role, I was responsible for collecting user requirements and brainstorming the most effective technical solutions to fulfill those requirements. In addition, I managed a development team and worked closely with vendors, coaching new team members to ensure that all development work was completed within set deadlines. I also reviewed the work of developers to ensure that the quality of deliverables was up to standard. I created detailed plans for testing activities, rollout, and contingency strategy, and lastly, I was responsible for overseeing the rollout of new systems in accordance with the plan. It was a challenging and exciting role, but one that I found to be incredibly rewarding. Before, everything was done manually. Can you imagine the toil and trouble that went into managing projects? But then, we decided to bring in the Agile methodology and things started looking up. We even got our hands on some top-notch DevOps tools to assist our development team. We're all about automation. Take our code repository for instance. We use GitHub or GitLab to store our precious code. And with the help of GitHub Actions or Jenkins, we've built a pipeline that handles everything from building to testing. The best part? The workflow kicks off automatically when developers push their source code to the repository. That's some slick stuff right there. We also got our hands on SonarQube, which we use for code scanning and test coverage analysis. It's like having a team of experts looking over your code, without the actual team of experts. Black Duck helps us scan our applications for vulnerabilities, so we don't have to worry about nasty surprises down the road. When it comes to project and incident management, we've got Jira and Confluence on our side. Jira is especially helpful when it comes to assigning issues to defect codes. This way, we can trace changes in the code made by developers with the help of our trusty code repository. And Confluence? It's perfect for sharing project milestones, activity schedules, and other important updates with everyone who's part of the team. And finally, we've got Nexus Repository for storing all our artifacts. When it's time for production rollout, we just reach into our Nexus and pull out the goods. It's like having a personal vault filled with treasures. In the technical aspect of my experience, I have learned about the key considerations when designing a large-scale enterprise system. Scalability is critical and can be achieved through horizontal or vertical scaling techniques. In addition, high availability and redundancy are crucial to ensure the system can continue functioning even in the event of component failures. Disaster recovery and business continuity plans are always in place to ensure a quick response to any system outages and to minimize any negative impact on business reputation. Security is also a top priority, and we implement robust measures to keep the system secure from any potential threats. To maintain a 100% uptime, we continuously monitor the system and provide regular maintenance to ensure that the system runs smoothly and efficiently at all times. These are some of the key strategies that we follow to ensure a high-performance enterprise system. In our system, we heavily rely on Java technology, using IBM WebSphere Application Server and MQ, which are in compliance with the J2EE standard. As for data storage, we use both IBM DB2 and Oracle databases. However, we have recently made a switch to Pentaho for our reporting needs. This new solution has proven to be more efficient and effective for our reporting requirements. I was feeling the need to hit the refresh button on my career, so I made the bold decision to resign and dive headfirst into the cutting-edge fields of cloud-native technologies and containerization, including Kubernetes, Kafka, Minio, and AI and ML ops with Kubeflow, Feast, and Xserve. In addition to pursuing these exciting new areas, I've also been hitting the gym and prioritizing my fitness, resulting in a slimmer and healthier version of myself. But that's not all. I've also had the pleasure of meeting some amazing new friends in Taiwan, and having some truly inspiring conversations with them. Now, I'm ready to tackle whatever challenges come my way. Is this the end of my story? Not even close, it's just the beginning of an exciting new chapter in my journey.